How's it going, everyone? I'm Landan with LMR.com. Today we're going to be working on this OBS Bronco and showing you the very easy steps for removing the front grille. Let's get right into it. So not only are these steps applicable for 1992 to 1996 Bronco, but they'll also work for 92 to 96 F-150s and 1992 to 1997 F-250 and F-350 trucks. So to remove the grille, you'll first want to open the hood. Loosen and remove the 4 Phillips head screws at the top of the grille. Next, loosen and remove the Phillips head screw underneath the emblem. Tilt the grille forward and then lift up to remove it from the truck. Go ahead and use this opportunity to clean the area and freshen up the hardware if it's needed. If you're installing a new grille or reinstalling the existing one, make sure the rubber pads on the bottom of the grille are seated into the openings in the header panel. When reinstalling the grille, simply reverse the removal procedure. After that, you're good to go. So like several of our other videos, we hope this video has helped you out. That's all we have for you today. So until we catch you in the next one, y'all know what to do. For all things OBS Bronco, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.